Okay, so a few months ago, I got this free sample from someone else, and I'm gonna try it. It's called Cheek Slime, which is like, and sorry, I don't have my usual tripod today, so I'm a little, like lit from above a little bit like Scary Monster. Cheek Slime is not a great name for a product. It does not sound very good. But it's by Freck Beauty. They do a lot of freckle stuff, I found out. Okay, so lip and cheek tint with plant collagen. This color is called Fielding, but it's a liquid, I imagine, so how do you pop the bubble? Maybe you pull the top? It doesn't seem to separate. I can't just pop it. Let me get little scissors. I guess I'm just gonna cut it. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. It wouldn't pull. Alright, so now I look like I have bloody scissors. It is a bright orange, and I felt the yellow makeup today. Oh my god, this is a disaster. It's like now not lifting enough for me to get to it. Okay. How about I cut that off? How about that? Okay, so I've got this. Focus. Okay, focus on me. Good. All right, let's try. Holy crap, that is bright orange. I mean, I have a Kokie blush that's brighter. This is more of a burnt orange. Let me see. It's a lip tint too. Ooh. It's probably meant to be put on with a brush because it's not easy to control. I'm gonna use this brush. It's from e.l.f., I believe. It says BB103 on it. I'm gonna use this. It's a little more dense than my blush brush to try and blend this in. It looks straight up like orange on the mirror, but the camera doesn't look that bad. I probably put too much on. Doesn't smell like anything. This side is more subtle than this, obviously. Try a little bit up there. I actually really like it. I just put too much. So let me go over it with a foundation brush. This side I like. My under eye is a little dark from the angle and the I just was lazy with foundation today. All right. I mean, I just stuck my finger in it. Use that. Should I keep it and use it more? I don't know. I look really orange in real life, but I think I could make it work. Yeah. I like it. It's a pain in the ass to get out, but that just may be the sample pack, of course. Yeah, let me finish my makeup. Cheek slime? Okay. Freck Beauty? I've never heard of that, ever. Might be a Sephora thing. Cheek slime? That's not very appealing. I'll try it.